If you're flipping between red and green signals without understanding market structure, you're losing money. I don't care how clean the indicator looks. I've watched traders blow accounts because they treated every color change like a lottery ticket. This isn't theory. I'm gonna show you a proof of concept using real XAUUSD price action, and by the end, you'll understand why most traders are on the wrong side of every major move. Let's start with the first two, the sentiment range MA. It's not some magic formula. It's not the best indicator on TradingView. It's a dynamic moving average that adapts volatility. The line you see across your chart transitions between green and red. Green means bullish momentum, red means bearish sentiment is taking over. Here's how traders usually approach this. They see the line flip green, they buy. It flips red, they sell. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. In a choppy, ranging market, the line will flip back and forth like a metronome. And every flip is costing you money. You're not trading momentum, you're trading noise. You're getting caught in a stop-loss hunting, and the market designed to shake you out before the real move happens. That's the first problem. The second problem is you have no idea of what the broader trend is doing. You're taking counter-trend signals in a market that's already committed to a direction. That's how account blowouts happen. So before we go further, let's fix the settings. Length 7. Trigger smoothing 3. ATR length 200. Range multiplier 5. Range style VIC. We use 200 on the ATR because it filters the noise that confuses amateur traders. It gives you the boundary of normal volatility. Anything outside the boundary is a statement from the market, not a head fake. Now, the sentiment range MA alone won't keep you alive. You need context. That's where the second indicator comes in, a combination of two EMAs and two SMAs. The default settings are garbage. Disable the first two moving averages entirely. Set SMA1 200. SMA2 to 300. These two lines are your trend filter. They're not entry signals. They're your permission slip to trade in a specific direction. Look at it like this. When prices below the 200 and 300, you're in a downtrend. The market's already told you where it wants to go. When price is above both, you're in an uptrend. It's that simple. One clean line separating professional traders from gamblers. If you're taking buy signals below the 200, you're fighting the market. If you're taking sell signals above the 200, same problem. You're bleeding capital because you're ignoring a structure. Let me walk you through a live setup. XAUUSD 15-minute chart. Price action is below the 200 SMA. That's a downtrend. Crystal clear. So right away, you skip every buy signal. I don't care how pretty the green Philip looks. You're not buying into a downtrend unless you enjoy donating money to institutional desks. Now the sentiment range may Phillips red. That's your sell signal. But here's the key. The trend is already down, so the signal is valid. You're not fighting the market, you're joining it. Now comes risk management, and this is where most retail traders lose the game before they even happen. Never risk more than 1% per trade. And second, always set a stop loss. If the market turns against you, you cut the loss at a logical point. Your stop loss for this strategy goes at the sentiment range MA line or the recent swing high. That's your invalidation point. Your take profit is set 2x your risk. That's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and over time, that's what keeps your account growing even when you're only right 50% of the time. Let's flip it. Price above the 200 and 300 uptrend. You skip all sell signals. The sentiment range MA Phillips green. That's your buy signal. And it's valid because the trend supports it. A stop loss below the sentiment range MA or the recent swing low. Take profit at 2x risk. Same logic, opposite direction. The system identifies high probability entry points because you're trading with the market, not against it. This strategy works across all markets and time frames because price structure is universal. It scales from 1 minute to daily charts because support and resistance and market structure exists everywhere. Now, if you want something even simpler, check out the recommended video on your screen. It breaks down the most straightforward scalping strategy you'll ever see. Go watch it now. Happy trading!